Hello everybody, this is Tim from Maclin Ford, welcome. And in this video I'm showing this brand new 2022 Ford F-150. It's got a 5.0 liter V8 engine in the XLT trim. It has spotlight mirrors, keyless pad. It has the Sport Appearance package. Fog lights, front tow hooks. Trailer tow package, the power tailgate release, as well as tailgate step. Easily deployed. And moving on to the back seat, we do the power window controls, as well as a cloth bench seat that will fit 3 people. And this seat is also a split folding seat, so if you need a little bit more cargo space or a secure cargo space, you can have it. Now in the center console, I got a couple cup holders there. You got a 12-volt outlet, and right underneath that, you've got a couple USB ports, as well as a 110-volt. Moving to the driver's door, we do have the power window controls for all 4 windows, including the one press down and up for the front windows. Here we have the power mirror controls, as well as the power lock controls. Just on the inside, we do have all the controls there for your spotlight mirrors, and your power tailgate release there, as well as your automatic headlights, which do include fog lights, as well as your exterior rear dome light. Down there, we have your electronic parking brake, as well as the button to control your power adjustable pedals. And then we've got the driver's seat, which is also fully powered. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left hand side you do have your steering wheel mounted audio controls, as well as your sync voice activated system button and the buttons for your adaptive cruise control. On the right side you have your phone controls, as well as the buttons for your dashboard menu. Now taking a look at the dashboard, you can go from my view to trip, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, audio, as well as vehicle settings. On the left side of the steering column is your headlight controls, as well as your windshield wiper controls. And then just to the right side of the steering column is you got your push button ignition. And then right beside that you have your Pro Trailer Assist, trailer brake controls, as well as your 4x4 system. Now taking a look at your center display screen, your radio will accept sources from AM, FM, Sirius, as well as Bluetooth. You can add a phone here if you wish. You have navigation so you don't get lost. You can select your favorites in here, however you wish to set it up. Your vehicle apps, which do include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Your vehicle settings, which do include vehicle hotspot, Ford Assistant, 911 Assist, valet mode, as well as vehicle features, which do include smart hitch, your onboard scales, as well as your digital owner's manual. This is also where you will see the feed from your backup camera. And you can also see that this F-150 is equipped with rear park sensors. And then right below that, you'd have your physical controls for both your radio as well as your climate systems, which do include your heated seats, your rear defrost. And on the right-hand side of those controls there, you have a 12-volt outlet as well as a 110-volt outlet. And then right below that, in this little cubby hole here, you've got a couple of USB ports. And you got a couple of cup holders there. And then you have your gear selector, which does have select shifts, so when you're in drive, you can manually change gears if you wish. Plus, at the touch of a button, the gear selector will recess, which you can now turn this area into a bit of a workspace. Next, scrolling upwards, we do have a little storage area for some sunglasses, as well as your interior dome lights, and the controls for your power rear window. Thanks for watching. For more information on this Ford F-150, give us a call at 587-871-8293 and quote stock number 22F17517. You can also come on down in person at 135 Glendeer Circle SE. We would love to see you. Have a wonderful day.